We have 4 ticks in Fairfax County, but the most important tick, I believe, is the deer tick that transmits Lyme disease. And Lyme disease is by far the worst vector-borne disease that we have in Fairfax County. Now, ticks usually don't fall from trees, they don't jump, they don't fall off of birds. Most ticks, 99.9% of the ticks, are on vegetation and they're questing. And questing means that they sit on the vegetation, usually on the grass, with their arms out, with their little front legs out, and they have little claws on their front legs, and they climb up your body. And they're really stealthy. They can climb up from your ankle all the way to your head, and you won't feel them. Best way to protect yourself against tick bites is to dress properly. If you need to, if you're going out into a tick-infected area, wear light colored clothing so you can see the ticks. Tuck your pants into your socks and your shirt into your pants. Wear an insect repellent, preferably with DEET in it, D-E-E-T. Many of the insect repellents have DEET in it. Do a tick check every day when you get home. When you have a shower, check your body for ticks, and what you're looking for is really new freckles or freckles with legs on them. You can also protect your yard from ticks. You can build a fence to keep deer out. You can spray your yard with an insecticide or take action that way. The best way to remove a tick is to get some forceps, get it as close to the skin as you can, and pull it up gently in a steady pull. Don't yank, don't twist, don't squish them, don't try to burn them off, don't try to put glycerin on them, don't put alcohol on them, just take them straight off, and do rub the area with alcohol so that in case you leave the mouth parts in there, it won't get infected. If you do have a tick on you and you're a Fairfax County resident, you can bring them to the health department and we'll identify them for you. And identifying them is a good step forward because you will know whether it's a deer tick or not.